making it out to Mayo Beach Park. I figured I'm super excited for this, so I wanted to share it with you guys. We finally bought a new vehicle. We had, like I said, our top 5 picks, and then once we realized how much we were going to be paying for a used version of those, we figured why not open it to getting a van, because we actually looked for one. I love that pickup. We actually looked for a van about 1.5 to 2 years ago, but how much they were was pretty ridiculous, so we never bought one. Just so happened we were almost going to give up on just looking for cars. Not really, but felt like it, because everything that we were trying to look at was just not turning out good at all. After dinner one night, we just happened to look at vans, and we found one that was right down the road from us, so we went to the dealership, which was Bayside Dodge and Jeep. We ended up getting a Dodge Grand Caravan, and not a huge Star Wars person, but was super excited that it is pretty much exactly how I would have ordered it if I ordered one, which is full Stormtrooper edition. But I think that works out really well with my Darth Vader murdered out motorcycle. Little things in life make such a big difference sometimes. Came here earlier, took some pictures of the van, so going to do kind of a back and forth collage of the bike and the van. So we made it to the spot where I took pictures of the van earlier. Gonna try to mimic the pictures with the bobber and then do a nice little collage for you guys. Unfortunately, the sun is right behind the cloud right now, so let's see how this turns out. So I guess the sun is not coming back out, so I'm gonna make it home, because without the sun it is chilly. So I hope you guys like that collage. I personally think the fan is a perfect fit for us, as well as apparently it's gonna make me a Star Wars fan. So now that we are finally over looking for a new vehicle, I can start focusing more on the channel again and getting a better variety of videos. But yeah, such a huge load off my chest getting that van and now having all that room, so when we do trips the family can be comfortable and come along if they choose when I am out on this. Gonna make my way home. It is chilly, sun's not coming back out. Thank you guys for checking out this video, just a little short one. And also a small detail is I'm going to be changing from Sundays at 8 a.m. to Sundays at 9. I want to sleep in a little bit on Sundays and not have to get up if by chance I go to bed late. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Subscribe, and let's see where we go next.